Hey everybody, one quick little lesson for submitting your work in Schoology. I know for most of you, you're new to our class. You may not have submitted your work in this format or in this way before. And so I wanted to show you a couple of options that you can use to take your drawing and turn it in so that you can get credit. Now, for the sake of this example, we're going to pretend like I finished my creativity grid. It's nowhere near finished, but I needed something to use. And so we're going to take this as an example. All right, option number one, if you have a smartphone, you can use the camera on your smartphone, take a quick photo, which I've done here. All right, once I have that photo taken, I go to the corner, go to the little square with the arrow, which is the share button, and then I can email that document to myself. Just put in my school email at parkhill.k12.mo.us. It goes to your school email account, and from there you can download it to your laptop, upload it to Schoology. All right. The other option you have is to use the integrated webcam on your laptop to take the photo. All right, so to do this, what you would have to do first is go down to the search bar in the corner and just type in the word camera. All right, the camera app comes with Windows, everybody's got it, and so you would just select that, and it's going to pull up that, and I can't open up the camera, otherwise it'll close off my instructions here, but you're going to take the photo using the webcam. All right, so what I want you to do with that is when you take the photo, you're going to try and get up as close to the camera as you can so that you're cropping out all the unnecessary details. For example, in your finished work that you turn in, I don't need to see your fingers holding it. I don't need to see your face hiding back here. I don't need to see the books behind you. So we're going to try to make this as big as we can so I can get an accurate look at your artwork, and then snap the photo, and it's going to just download to your computer. All right, to find it, where you'll go is to the file browser, and then you'll go to Pictures, and then there should be a folder on there titled Camera Roll. And from there, you'll see your work, double click on it. And once you open it up here, then you have the option to crop it, rotate it, whatever you need to do to make it look nice. All right, so before I turn this in, I think I'm definitely going to crop out my creepy shadowy face there. So just drag that in to the edge, and I'm going to drag in the other edge. And then I'm going to, maybe if I need to rotate it, if your image makes sense upside down, you'll want to rotate it that direction. And then you will want to just save a copy on your computer. All right. Once it's saved on your computer, it's going to be there on your camera roll until you delete it. So I'm going to close that up, and I'm going to go back to Schoology. And in the window for the assignment, you're going to see a button that says Submit right over here. So you'll click Submit, and then it'll open up in a little window. You'll choose to select a file, and then browse and locate your picture, upload it, and that's how you turn in your work. All right, from there, what happens is I get to view your work. I'll grade it using the rubric that's available with each assignment, and then your grade will be posted in the Schoology gradebook and then transferred into Infinite Campus. Seems like a really complicated, convoluted process. It probably is, but I wanted to kind of walk through that with you so that if you have any questions, you can kind of target specifically what you need help with in getting your work turned in. All right, so if you do have questions, feel free to email me. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing what you guys create. Have fun and enjoy the creativity grid.